Hello everyone, welcome to Let's Discover It. This is Arya Singh and today we will discuss about the question answer of chapter 10th from class 8th Science NCERT. So without wasting any second we have to start this. So question number first is saying that what is the term we use for secretion of endocrine gland responsible for change taking place in the body. That is nothing but a hormone, because hormone is a substance secreted by endocrine gland which is responsible for the secondary sexual character changes that are take place in our body at the adolescent period. Okay, so with the word adolescent there is a second question which is denoting that what is adolescent. Other word for what is adolescent is define adolescence. So the period of life when our body undergoes changes leading to reproductive maturity is called adolescence. Okay, the period of adolescence is normally 11 years to 19 years. It means a time came in your life when your body undergo many type of changes which include formation or you can say growth of reproductive organs for reproductive maturity. Also you can say that ovaries in girls generally ovary become mature, and in boys there are the sperm duct become mature. So this is the period when this type of secondary sexual characters in male and female, uh, different changes are take place. Many common change is a difference in height. Okay, so second, and one also you can say one also changes that is mostly women suffer, that is menstruation. That is a period when women bleed in months, in which in females the ova or egg begin to mature with the onset of puberty. In a month, in 28 to 30 days, from in girl generally 10 to 12 years of age, one egg get mature and is released one of ovaries. Once is about 28 to 30 days. During this period the wall of the uterus become thick as so as to receive the fertilized egg. In case it is fertilized, it begin to develop. Okay, this result in pregnancy. If the fertilization does not occurs, then that bag falls down in a form of blooding, that is called the menstruation in women. Okay, so you have to list some changes that take place at the age of puberty. That is, there is a certain increase in height of both boys and girls. However, both reach their maximum height at the age of 17 to 18 years first. Second, mostly changes that is occurred in boys. The boys, both you can say boys and girl both. The voice of boys become hoarse and that of girls become shrill. Shoulders become broader and the muscles grow prominently in boys. In girl than in girls. In girls, the region below the waist become wider. Hair start growing at different parts of the body in girls and boys. Hair start growing in different parts of body in most of the teenagers due to increased secretion of sweat and sebaceous gland get acnes and pimple on their face. Onset of puberty brings changes in secondary sexual character, I have told you, and both are capable of reproduction. In girls, menstruation starts, different type of hormones start to release in initial a reproductive function. So you have to prepare a table with two columns in which the endocrine glands and their hormones should be written. So there are five endocrine glands such as pituitary gland is growth hormones secreted by them. Ovaries secrete estrogen, testes testosterone, thyroid thyroxine, pancreas insulin, and adrenal gland secretes adrenaline. Okay, so what are sex hormones? So the hormones with help and control the formation of secondary sexual character are called sex hormones. They are named so because they control the sexual activity and are secreted by males and females separately. Function of sex hormones are given below separately. Main sex hormone. It is also testosterone. It is secreted by testes and causes change in secondary sexual character of body, like growth of facial hair, like moisture, breeds, etc. It also stimulates sperm spermatogenesis. Okay. Female sex hormones. It is also called estrogen. It is secreted by ovaries and control the secondary sexual character in female. Appearance of mammary gland, etc. It also maintain pregnancy. So, correct the following action. Adolescents should be careful about what they eat because proper diet is needed for the rapid growth and taking place in their body. Second number is your answer. Reproductive age in women start when their menstruation is start. The right meal of adolescence consists of chapati, dal, and vegetables. Second number. So this will be the first, this will be the second, and first will be the second. So second, first, second is your answer. You have to write a note that's I have written here in my own language about Adam's apple. During puberty, a change in the voice of boys and girls take place due to increase in the size of the voice box or larynx. In boys, the voice box tends to protrude out on the upper part of the neck below the chin and is often referred to as Adam's apple. Secondary sexual character. Those characters which are visible more apparently and help in distinguish a male from a female are called secondary sexual character. For example, in girls, breast, and in boys, facial hairs become, yeah. Second, third is sex determination in the unborn baby. So in I have written here in my own language. I have to read it first. Okay. So the sex of a child, that is whether it is a male or a female, is determined at the time of fertilization when a male gamete fuse with a female gamete. Okay. All human beings have 23 pairs of chromosomes in the nucleus of their cell. Two chromosomes out of increased are sex chromosomes. A female has two X chromosomes while a man has one X and one Y chromosomes. The gamete, egg, and sperm have only one set of chromosomes. The fertilized egg always has one X chromosomes. But sperms are two kinds, one having X chromosomes and other having Y chromosomes. When sperm containing X chromosomes fertilizes the egg, the zygote would have two X chromosomes and develop into a female child. If the sperm contribute a Y chromosomes to the body or ovum at fertilization, the zygote would develop into a male child. It is thus also clear that the sex chromosomes or the father determine the sex of an unborn baby. But we are see generally the sex of the baby is due to societal mindset. It is only on women's. That is definitely wrong thing. So this knowledge is very good. You have to take this knowledge. And if you like this video, tap the like button to subscribe my channel. And from this side, Arya Singh, thank you.